Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer income from TikTok rewards to your US bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the TikTok app on your device. Ensure you are logged into the account where you have earned TikTok rewards. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Once on your profile, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on those lines to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the section labeled TikTok Rewards. Tap on TikTok Rewards to view your earnings. In this section, you will see your total earnings clearly displayed. Look for the option that says Withdraw or Transfer Funds. Tap on the Withdraw or Transfer Funds option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your payment information if this is your first withdrawal. Select Bank Transfer as your preferred withdrawal method. Input your banking information, including your account number and routing number. Double-check the information to ensure accuracy. After entering your bank details, confirm the withdrawal amount. Review any terms and conditions related to the withdrawal process. Once everything looks good, tap on the Submit or Confirm button. You will receive a notification confirming that your request has been submitted. Keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to appear. Typically, transfers may take a few business days to process. If you encounter any issues, revisit the TikTok Rewards section for guidance. For further assistance, consider reaching out to TikTok support. Your funds will be safely transferred to your US bank account soon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.